Have you ever wondered why we feel so tired sometimes? Even when everything seems fine, why does it still feel like there's a weight, an invisible burden pulling us down every day? Maybe because we hold on too tightly to our past. Old memories, old pain, old joy, everything. We think these things define us, but the truth is, they often stop us from flying freely. Today's story is not just a story, it's a mirror where you might just see yourself. Far away, in a quiet forest, there lived a little bird. Its eyes sparkled with innocence, and its voice carried the sweetest melody. Every day it flew among trees, by the river, under the golden sun, and it remembered every single day. But one day, the bird developed a new habit. Whatever happened that day, a flower blooming, meeting someone, or feeling hurt, it would carve each memory onto small stones. Those stones it kept inside a tiny pouch that it always carried. It believed these memories were its true treasures. Good moments had to be remembered because they might never return. And bad moments? They had lessons, so those too must be kept. Days passed, nights fell, the stones kept increasing, and so did the weight of the pouch. But the bird didn't realize. It thought the more memories, the more wisdom, the more strength. But one day, when it tried to fly, it felt its wings getting heavier. It was hard to lift itself into the sky. Still, it didn't give up. These memories are my life, it thought. One day, they will make me stronger. But what it didn't know was that the very weight it called treasure was slowly stealing away its freedom. One day, while struggling to fly, the bird met an old wise owl. The owl smiled and asked, "Little bird, why are you flying with such a heavy pouch?" The bird proudly replied, "This pouch holds all my memories, every joy, every sorrow, every lesson. I have kept them all so I never forget." The owl stayed silent for a while, then gently said, "So tell me, little one, are you really living or just flying with the weight of your past?" The bird smiled but didn't fully understand. It flew away, but this time its wings trembled. The sky didn't look the same anymore. Time passed. The pouch grew so heavy that the bird could no longer fly. It could only walk, dragging the pouch behind it. One rainy day, the sky turned dark and the ground slippery. The bird tried to find shelter, but it slipped and fell, and the pouch landed on its tiny body. For a moment, everything was silent. The little bird lay still, crushed beneath the weight of its own memories. The same stones it once called precious had taken its life away. When the rain stopped, other birds found it lying still. Its wings spread, and beside it, the pouch full of old writings, old memories, old pain. The owl came quietly, sat beside it, and whispered softly, "Memories are meant to teach us, not to live inside us. If you hold on to the weight of yesterday, the light of today will never reach you." Friend, think for a moment. Aren't we just like that little bird? Every day we collect things. Old words, broken relationships, unfulfilled dreams. The painful things someone once said to us. We don't let them go. We say, "I'll never forget." But forgetting is sometimes the only real freedom. Because as long as you're trapped in the past, you'll never see the beauty of the present. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting. It means accepting that some people, some moments, some memories were guests in your life for a short while. They came, they taught you something, and they left. That's the natural rhythm of life. If you hold on to every experience, there will be no room for new ones to grow. Just as trees shed old leaves so new ones can bloom, we too must learn to let go of our pain to see the new colors of life. If right now you're hurting, or feel stuck, close your eyes for a moment and think, how many old stones are you still carrying in your pouch? How many moments have long passed, yet you still drag their weight with you every day? Today, make a choice. Leave behind whatever makes your wings heavy. Because life is meant to be flown, not dragged. One day, when you truly learn to let go, you'll realize how light the air feels, how bright the sun shines, and how strong you really are. Then you'll say, I am no longer a bird of the past. I am flying in today's sky with new dreams, new stories, and new light. So remember, forgetting the past is not a sin. It's the greatest prayer for a life well lived. Live today. Love today. Be your best self today. And if this story touched your heart, don't let it stop there. Share it so someone else can learn to put down their bag of stones too. I'll return with another inspiring story soon. Until then, remember, let go and fly.